Hello everyone, my name is Aliza Imtiaz Mirza and I study here at Westford University College, and today I attended my first ever second edition Westford Mentorship Program. I connected with my mentor Craig, who helped me and will help me in future to gain insights in both personal and professional level.
It was a learning experience for me and for everyone who was attending. It was a very lovely evening for mentors and mentee to meet each other, to have a games with each other and to learn from each other.
We got to meet our mentors, I got to connect with them, I got to connect with my personal mentor, and it was a great experience.
Mentoring the mentees is something that I look forward to sharing my knowledge, my experience, and hopefully add value for the correct decisions to be taken by the mentee. So all the best to Westford, all the best to the mentees, and as a mentor, look forward to complete this session in these 6 months.
We had a little game that was being played in groups by one of the organizers, and over there that was kind of a moment where we actually had a chance to network with the people that we were sitting in groups with, and honestly I think it was a really wonderful experience as a mentee.
Honestly, I'm so grateful to Westford for this opportunity. And just in case you're wondering what the mentorship is all about, you need to be here. In case you've not yet signed up, please, you have to be here. You have to be here. And thank you so much, Westford, to our teachers and everyone that put this together. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.